Welcome to Start Grow Up Skills, HTML Tags and Elements. HTML tags are the basic building blocks of a web page. They are keywords surrounded by angled brackets that tell the browser how to display content. First, we need to install Visual Studio and open it. Let's create a new HTML file. Heading tags are used to define headings of documents. You can use different sizes for your headings. HTML also has 6 levels of headings, which use the elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. While displaying any heading, the browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. Let's get started. First, go to your project folder and open the HTML file in your browser. You should now see all the headings displayed in your browser window. The P tag is used to define a paragraph in HTML. It's one of the most commonly used tags for structuring text content on a web page. Browsers automatically add space above and below paragraphs. Next, line break tag. Whenever you use the BR element, anything following it starts from the next line. This tag is an example of an empty element, where you do not need opening and closing tags, as there is nothing to go in between them. Center tag. The center tag aligns text, images, or other HTML elements in the middle of a web page. Note, the center tag is deprecated in HTML5. You can use the CSS text align property to center elements. The horizontal rule tag displays a horizontal line. A horizontal line visually breaks up sections of a document. The HR tag creates a line from the current position in the document to the right margin and breaks the line accordingly. The pre-tag is used to preserve the formatting. Whenever you want to display content on the web page exactly in the same format as it was written in the HTML document, you can use the pre-tag. It preserves the formatting of source code, including line breaks and indentation. Next, non-breaking spaces prevent an automatic line break and are displayed using the end nbsp entity. The UL and OL tags create the unordered and ordered listings, and to display list items, the li tag is used. An unordered list is used to display a group of related items with bullet points, rather than numbers. It's great for things like menus, features, or to-do items. An ordered list in HTML is a list of items where the order matters. It uses numbers or letters to show the sequence. An HTML element is a fundamental component of an HTML document that can contain data to display on the web page, such as text, image, link, or sometimes nothing. An HTML element includes an opening tag, content, and a closing tag, where the opening tag may also include attributes. Today class is finished. We hope you learned something new today. Keep learning, keep growing. We'll see you in the next video. In the upcoming video, we'll dive into practice programs and a quiz on this topic to help reinforce your learning. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.